Okay, part 14 of Heavy Rain. Sinking.
Getting into this.
Huh?
It's getting interesting.
Oh, it's getting very interesting. Anyway, sinking.
So he's gonna have to kill the piano man.
That's not the piano man. That's Jaden. He's not killing Jaden. Who's Jaden? The FBI agent. The other guy we've been playing as. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. See?
Mm-hmm. Now I see.
Oh yeah, I forgot to say hi. Hi. Just gonna leave that intro in, I guess. We're eating pizza. I'm eating stuffing with my pizza. Don't ask me why.
I'm eating ham, stuffing with gravy, and green beans with my pizza.
It's piano time. Sing us a song, you're the piano man. Sing us a song tonight.
Why is he wearing Airy?
I think this is all not hallucination, but you know what I mean.
Yeah.
Virtual. Like a Virtual Boy. Excuse me.
Virtual what?
Virtual Boy, it's an old Nintendo console that sucks. I'm a 21st century digital boy. I don't know how to
What's
live.
wrong with him?
That's a butler.
Your vodka, sir.
Vodka.
Thanks.
He
Thanks.
seems tired.
I would be.
You look preoccupied, if you don't mind my saying so. Problems with the investigation?
Blake is convinced that Mars is the killer.
Not you. I thought there was some evidence to that effect.
That's true. But it just doesn't make sense.
Okay, so
His psychological profile doesn't fit. Neither does the geolocalization.
who's the
I
least
can't
likely
see this
suspect
father
in your
drowning
opinion?
8 victims
Him.
before
Him,
kidnapping
yeah, because he
his
hasn't
own
been in the
kid.
area.
Mars is not the origami killer. I'd stake my life on it.
Then who is?
I haven't the faintest fucking idea.
Maybe you should review the evidence in your possession.
That's
Hasn't.
just what I was thinking of doing.
I mean, if he had it, then he probably would have already done that. Sorry.
Oh, one last thing, sir. You should be careful not to overindulge in you-know-what. It can be dangerous.
What, sex,
Very
booze, rock and
dangerous.
roll? What are you talking about?
Maybe in
I'm
Airy.
trying to keep a handle
Oh.
on it, but
Scoot.
Maybe
That's
in
difficult.
Airy, because like
it gets more and
'Cause
more difficult.
I did mention the tryptocane, and
It'll end
What?
up killing you.
the
if you're
tryptocane, the
not
drug he had
careful.
to take so I didn't get addicted. And now he got addicted
That
to
would be
tryptocane,
most unfortunate, sir.
which is trippy as hell. For some reason I have I Want Your Sex by George Michael stuck in my head.
that's weird.
I want your sex. Sorry, it's an 80s song.
Please stop singing and referencing. Come up with your own content.
Hey, look at that! Guess where we are?
Mars.
Motherfucker! Mars, motherfucker, Mars, motherfucking Mars. Let's have the,
So is he rich?
That's not what I wanted.
I wish I was that rich to have a butler.
I don't know. I think he was just at a bar.
That looked like he said sir and treated him like a butler.
Whatever. Let's stay in the nature. Okay?
Mhm.
That'll keep us calm.
Sure.
Calm. When has that ever been used in reference to me? Clues time!
Well, well. Looks like there's something new. The video recording from near the park on the afternoon showing Mars disappeared. I doubt there's anything on it, but you never know.
Time to take a look. Analyze.
A Chevrolet model corresponding to the tire prints passed at 1602 heading for the park. When in the opposite direction at 1637. That could fit the time that Sean Mars disappeared. Could it be the killer's car?
Maybe. Who has a Chevy Malibu? Oh. That'd be the first thing I'd look for. Who had a Chevy Malibu?
Mm-hmm.
Pity we can't see the driver's face.
It would never could be that easy.
It's never that easy.
The car
Philip
was
D.
stolen.
Campbell, stolen
Let's
in
see. A certain
2005.
Jackson Neville was suspected of stealing it, but the charges were dropped. Not enough evidence.
This car's been stolen for 7 years in this universe.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, no data for who has a Chevy fucking Malibu. Even though it's one of the most popular cars in the freaking world. So, oh wait, whoa! I saw another thing. There we are. Jackson Neville. New Orleans. Oh my God.
Jackson Neville, a.k.a. Mad Jack.
That is the worst
involved in
nickname
several
for
cases of buying and
suspect to
selling stolen
have.
vehicles. Considered to be very dangerous. This guy might have provided the killer with a car. It's a pretty slim lead, but it's all I have right now.
Well, that's our clues for now.
Oh, he's in a hotel room, so yeah. Drugs.
Oh, one last thing, sir.
Be careful not to
Be careful
overindulge.
not to overindulge in you know what. It can be dangerous.
How do you say I have a nosebleed from this, though?
Very dangerous.
Shit, it's coming. Trypticane. The tube is on the
No,
bedside table.
no drugs.
All I need is to take some.
I swear to God, I said at the beginning of this that I'm not gonna have him take any of the trypticane.
I should resist. This is gonna kill me. I know I can resist. I just need to stay in control.
Cold turkey,
I gotta
brother.
do something until it goes away.
Can you get a nosebleed from stuff like that?
Yeah.
Probably not a good idea to drink, but screw it.
That's a cool hotel room.
Yeah, it's a pretty nice hotel room, especially with, like, free booze. Oh, is he gonna puke? Yep.
Even though nothing's in there.
Well, I mean,
I don't know right there. I don't want to look at his nose.
why is his nose bleeding anyway?
Stress. I don't know. I have nosebleeds when I'm stressed.
I can't move.
Yeah, okay.
Why can't I move? I'm just gonna sit here then.
Might be a cutscene.
Nope. I'm stuck. Well, time to restart this part.
No, maybe just wait a bit longer.
No, it's because I was looking at the mirror and it changed before it could happen. So it's stuck.
Oh.
Well, that blows. Technical difficulties. Excuse me again. We're not playing with him, you lie!
Don't poke me.
Okay. What?
What?
Oh, we got a trophy for the piano. Did the game fuck up?
Mm-hmm.
Let's take a look at my achievements or trophies. Interactive drama, good father, white knight, private eye, FBI investigator, play games with Sean, remember to type. Oh,
Why is it so dark?
because yes.
Oh, there it goes.
Nosebleed!
Magical.
Oh, one last thing, sir. You should be careful.
Sorry to show you this again.
Overindulge in
His eyes are very red.
it can be dangerous. Very
X, square, triangle, triangle.
It's
Up, down,
It's
left,
coming.
right, B-A.
trypticane. The tube is on the bedside
You know,
table. All
Butler
I
guy
need is
wouldn't have
take
said,
some.
you know what. He would have said what it was because
Go
they both
away.
know what it is. It's only because.
I should resist. This is gonna kill me.
I think they
know
mentioned
can
the
resist.
trypticane
I just
earlier,
need to
it's
stay in
just that
control.
it never mentioned
I
that he had an
do something
addiction
until it goes
to
away.
it. Let's go wash our face.
Not drink the booze.
That might have been what was the bad idea earlier. Wash your nosebleed. You okay, bruh?
Whee! Go around in
He's
circles.
drunk.
At least it's not in public.
This is true. Maybe he is. This is all hallucination.
It's all...
Take a shower, Norman.
Imagination.
We need to see Norman's shower.
No.
What are you doing? Look at that. Realistic water. He lied. No, it actually was pretty good for a second there. You were so pale.
There's a phone in the shower.
No,
Because-
no, it's one of those spray nozzles.
Oh, you say because logic.
Because electrocution.
Mm-hmm. Pizza's good.
Yeah.
Nom. I love his eyes.
Multicolored. Heterochromia.
What?
Heterochromia is when your eyes have different colors.
That's cool.
Like, there's a specific kind of heterochromia where your eyes, both of your eyes are different colors, but his is like radial heterochromia, which is where, like, the center of your iris is a different color than the outer side.
Kind of like how dogs.
Detox. Yes. Kind of like how do dogs?
Yeah, because some dogs have one color and some have other.
Clocks.
To signify that we're...
Running out of time?
Yes.
Hey!
Hey.
Yay!
Manfred! Manfred! Anybody home?
We're gonna find a dead man back here. Oh, look at all those typewriters.
It was him.
Really?
I don't know.
What was that meeting with Charles Kramer at the golf club really about? Hi there, Manfred.
Who is it?
Scott. Scott Shelby. Do you remember me?
Scott? This is Scott! Oh, yes, of course. Well, good to see you. How long has it been?
Oh, about 10 years, I guess.
Goodness.
At my age, time means nothing anymore.
Did you work at a clock store?
I know.
I repair clocks, but I try to forget about time.
Huh. Pretty philosophical.
How about you? Are you still with the police?
Oh, no, I quit. I'm a private investigator now. This is Lauren. She's a friend.
And a hooker.
Hello.
Oh, hello, young lady. Well, this calls for a celebration. I've just the thing. Wait there. I'm sure I saw a bottle of scotch around here
I don't think he's
somewhere.
the killer. Because
I
he's
don't
too
think
old.
Yeah, he's way too old.
Nice to see Manfred again. Just like old...
I'll get it.
Do an old man a favor, would you, Scott? Tell him to call back this afternoon.
Sure, no problem. Hello? Yeah, this is Manfred's. He's not available right now. Could you call back later this afternoon? Thanks.
I think Scott's the least likely suspect out of all the four main characters. Well, besides Norman, obviously.
I think Norman's the least. He's...
But,
Well,
like,
The
Scott has
The
the least
old
motivation to
friend.
do that.
Yeah.
And besides, he's looking for the killer itself, and he's talking to all the people who were victims.
I'd like you to have a look at an envelope. I thought maybe you could tell me about the typewriter that was used to type the address on it.
How was
Let's have a
that
look.
not bent?
Because logic.
Could you pass
Hey,
me
look.
the magnifying glass from behind the counter,
Oh, sure,
please?
I'll get it.
My eyes are beginning to fail me.
You have glasses on. I guess it makes sense.
Yeah, some people...
Hey.
Sometimes the glasses don't help.
This is true.
I mean, they make it worse.
Especially if they're the wrong prescription. I believe as time goes on, you're supposed to change your prescription
let's see
like
what
every
this
2 or 3 months.
Envelope has
My
to
mom
say
said to
for
change hers
itself.
like 6 times. Keeps getting worse.
The Royal 5.
Royal 5.
Yes, the shape of the T's and the F's is typical of that model.
Wow. Nice.
Produced between 1907 and 1924.
Damn.
He's good.
Yes. No doubt about it.
For someone whose eyes are
It's a
failing him,
Royal
you
5.
got a lot of skill, good sir. Well, now we just need to know who,
These typewriters, are they rare?
No, they're fairly common. I'd say many folks have one gathering dust in an attic or in their cellar.
Alright, so...
Are there many places around that could prepare one of these?
I bought the company's entire stock of spare parts for a song in '64.
Really?
Well, they were going to take them to the dumpster, so I got the lot. Anybody around here who has one that actually works has been to see me at one time or another.
Huh.
Do you keep a record of all your clients?
Oh, yes, indeed. Well, at least the ones who pay.
Any chance I could get a peek at that?
Yes, of course. I keep my account books in the office. If you're not in a hurry, I have a list of all the clients who ever bought a Royal 5 or had one repaired.
Well, we have a good...
Yeah, that would really help
That's
us out.
Delighted to help.
And if any of them are in the same
Give me 2
area,
minutes.
then there you go.
And I'll be right back with the list.
Alright, so we've got a good lead here.
Uh-huh.
You think the killer's been here?
More than likely.
If he has a 1920s typewriter, he may have needed Manfred's services to get it fixed. We'll know when we get the list.
Nice necklace.
Where you been?
What?
I said, where have you been? She's had that on.
I know, but hey, a music box. I love music boxes.
They're kind of cute, but they're a little annoying.
I mean, yeah, like, not a weird groan, they're annoying, but I still think they're very interesting.
That's creepy.
Bing, bing,
I
bing.
don't get it.
The clock.
Oh. What?
Let's go talk to Manfred.
Been a while since Manfred went into his office. Let's take a look.
Hello?
Manfred!
Hello? Your call is lodged, sir. A police car will be
Did he
there
kill
in a few
himself?
minutes. I need to know who you are, sir. Sir? Hello?
Why would you hang up? What the hell?
Very realistic blood.
Oh my god!
It's pretty watery.
He's dead. Oh, God.
How'd he die?
Poor old man. He didn't deserve to go like that.
How'd he die?
Did he shoot himself? What the hell?
Did we miss something?
Scott?
We should have went in there sooner.
Oh my god.
What are you doing?
I'm calling the police.
The killer has already called the police. I think he wants us to be his scapegoats. We
Wait,
gotta
what?
get the hell out of here.
Oh, he was shot. No, he was stabbed. That would
We have
explain
nothing
it.
to do with his death. We were just here when it happened.
Look, we're running out of time to find Sean Mars. The last thing we need is 24 hours in a police station explaining this whole thing.
He has a point.
So what do we do?
We gotta find that list. Unless the killer took it.
They probably took it.
Ah, shit.
Watch the front door. I'll get rid of our fingerprints from everything we touched since we came in.
Okay,
Better
phone,
work fast.
magnifying
The police
glass,
are gonna be
scotch
here any minute.
glass,
Jewelry box.
jewelry box.
What are you doing, Lauren? If someone comes in, we're gonna be in trouble.
These are Manfred's account books. He must have been looking for owners of Royals when he was killed.
Forget it. We gotta get out of here fast.
Ugh.
Yeah.
A little shake. Okay, first off, phone.
Yes, because that's totally touching it.
Yeah. There. Okay. One thing. Now I just need to get the other things. Which would be the phone. Shut up, clocks! I like quiet
Magnifying
clocks. Okay, where would that be? That would have been over here. You're holding on to it, you idiot! Scotch glass. Still holding on to it!
There he goes. The other one.
Yeah, because Lauren.
Oh. Oh, they both took a shot out or it was him, the old man?
I don't remember. Scottsford! Hey, it's named after you, bruh.
Hey!
Yeah, let's go get that music box. That should be everything, right? I can't... There it is. Touch.
Where did we leave Prince? Gotta remember. Fast.
The letter!
Quick. Gotta find everything Lauren and I touched since we came in
Where's
here.
the letter? Where's the letter?
Doorknob.
Doorknob.
Yeah, they had to open the door.
It could be much longer. The police will be here any second.
I'm almost finished. Don't forget to clean Lauren's prints, too. Don't want her to be mixed up in this. The glasses. Telephone.
Glasses.
Police will be here any second. Gotta get out now.
Okay, fuck it.
We're running out of time. Gotta move faster.
Wait. I don't know!
Just walk out.
That's it. We're done.
You get all the prints?
I got what I got. It should be enough to prevent them from finding us. Come on, let's go.
Well, there's a very low chance that they'll be able to find us.
Oh, there they just touched the door.
God damn it. Oh, and it lingers on the door.
Mm-hmm. I told you the doorknob.
Well, crap.
I told you the doorknob like 3 times.
Ah, shit.
So, you claim the victim was killed while you were in his shop, correct?
Yes, he went to get something in his office. A few minutes later, I went in to see if he was okay. That's when I found him.
You should have called the police immediately, Mr. Shelby. Would have saved us dragging your ass down here.
Listen, we had nothing to do with his murder. We were only there by coincidence. I just wanted to spare myself a few hours declaring I didn't see anything to a police officer.
PI or not, Mr. Shelby, don't leave town. And if you end up next door to any more dead bodies, remember to call us. Okay?
What is with his voice?
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, I think I'm gonna end it here.
Okay.
Well,
Bye.
I forgot the door. Remember the door when you play this game.
I ain't gonna play it.
Not you, them.
Oh.
Bye, guys.
Bye.